Hi everybody, it's Mike from Mike's 50. Making a little video. My son's gonna put a carbon fiber spoiler on his S5. I know the last one was white, but this one's gray. So he got, what'd you get? What is it?
It's a carbon import spoiler for the B8.5 S5. It's a version 4, so it's like the highest one. They like think version 1's like the lowest, and they seem to get a little bit taller.
Yeah, here's the name of the company. Carbon Imports.
And of course, it's the M4 style because that's the nicest one. I don't like that duckbill.
Yeah, I kind of leaning towards getting an M4, but
Yeah.
I don't know. They're
That's
just so
nice.
everything's just so damn expensive right now. Can't even think about it, but saving money for it. So he's wiping it down with alcohol so it'll stick real good. I'm gonna have to pause this and then I'll put it back on when it's done. Let's see. Yeah, this side's lined up nice. Wow, yeah, that looks really good. Let's just hope that the tape
I got like a millimeter on my side.
That's all I got here too, is just a very faint line right here. But it's at the top, not at the bottom.
Yeah, I think I'm
Yours
gonna
too?
scooch it a little bit your way, like that much.
My way?
Yeah.
It wouldn't go much more than that. Because now I'm totally flush
Oh.
here. How are you on that side?
It's like right.
Give me the tape on this side.
Yeah.
You're over flush here. On the side. We're going to have this right there. That looks
Alright,
pretty good.
Perfect. I'm flush with the edge.
Yeah, that looks good. So that's what we're going to have. But we have to have the tape pulled out from underneath first.
So we'll do the ends, the two ends, and
Yeah, pull the ends off.
oh, you're recording it?
Yeah, it's got to run.
Okay.
I don't have to put everything in
Do like a time lapse
there.
thing.
You edit it.
Yeah. Oh, I hate peeling this stuff. So you just peel it out like this, right?
Interesting. Something we can get something to stick up.
My knife inside. There you go.
It should be on there.
Yeah, it should be. So I'm just flush with the edge.
Yeah, it looks really good right there. So make sure it's tight in the back. You want to start pulling them out, and I'll just I'll hold it still. You gotta pull down, pull down.
Oh, shoot.
It's
tight.
You don't want that to happen.
It's really
What's going on?
Really tight right
Wait, isn't it on the right here?
there. Yeah, is it too far forward?
No, my end is like right on the edge on the one. This isn't even right. I was hoping this stuff is gonna stick right.
Yeah, I don't think it wants to stick because of we're peeling it right now, you know? This one's coming off easy.
This one came out really easy. Serving me. That went on nice. Look at that.
That thing's not going anywhere.
Nope. That's nice.
Took 2 seconds.
Wow, that's it.
Wow.
2 seconds. I wouldn't say 2 seconds. Yeah, that's on there nice. Good, good.
Nice. Should we caulk it now?
No,
Oh, we
we
gotta
wait till
wait.
tomorrow. Let it dry.
Yeah.
Let it dry. Yeah. You got a nice reveal on there.
Well, it looks so good.
It's sweet. I mean, it's on there too.
Yeah. Wow, nice. This car
Okay.
looks so nice. Oh my god.
I want to show you the car too. This is a different car than his last one. We brought out 15, Anthony?
Yeah, 2004.
Look at the wheels on this thing. That thing weighs what? We have the nice dark tinted windows.
Oh, the headlights.
Oh yeah, what are these?
180. It's a
Yeah,
company in Brooklyn.
180 headlights, made in Brooklyn. They're really nice. You gotta see them lit up. All this LED stuff all the way around. So cool. So cool. There you go. That's wicked. These guys LED lights down there. It's a nice car. Really nice car. I like this color better than the white one. But now he's got his M4 wing on the back, so that's going to be cool. He's taking up my BMW spot right now. But we'll see what I get. I don't know exactly what I'm getting yet. But I'll figure that out next summer. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.